heading to Old San Juan. Now we are in the shuttle. Yes. Special.
A mofongo.
What?
I wonder what that is. A mofongo.
Oh, this is place. This is the place. This is the right place right here. Chicken place. Birds want to eat you alive. Mofongo. Well, there's a reason. There's a lot of reason why people there. Food is good, but it's just, I guess you can stay inside if you want. Tomorrow? Where are you gonna find the time from? Are you gonna buy up with the hotel like?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, one thing I noticed here, cars license plates are only on the back of cars of the vehicle, not on the front. That's something that I've noticed here. Only on the back. Oh, look at this cat.
Oh, look at the cat.
So these are all the mofongos you can get over here, guys. The famous mofongos from Puerto Rico. We have chicken mofongo, fried pork. What? A chafongo, beans, mofongo. What else? I can get empanadas and all those stuff right here in Puerto Rico. Old San Juan. So what do you want to do?
There's so many everything is mofongo based.
Kimani. Oh shoot. So Kimani and I is in Old San Juan.
Yes.
And we
wanted to go
just walking
souvenir
around
shopping.
last day in Puerto Rico.
Yes, let's do it. Take the menus out of our side. They can be con rebollo con menú igual.
Roosters in the dining room.
Roosters fight.
Birds and rooster in the dining room, only in Puerto Rico. That's the hen right here, and that's Mr. Rooster.
Do they fight?
Yeah. Hi. All right.
Food in my mouth.
Hi. Hi. These birds wants to gang up on me. You steal my food.